Here's a little update of kind of what y'all got to look forward to. I'm going to be putting out some videos of this car here pretty soon. I'm going to be showing you every little step-by-step that I've taken to get it exactly where it is right now. And all this inner structure right here, we built every bit of this inner structure by hand. Of course, we have an inner structure over here as well. This one right here was already assembled, but this one here we built by hand. So this is what we're working on. All right, we just got us a delivery. Let's see what it is. All right, we just received this while doing the video. There we have it. American Racing Shelby wheels. So there's our wheels. Glad those came in. The spinners are in there and the lug nuts. So that's the wheels for that one. Go right on in here, and here we have the wheels for this car here we're working on, but we stopped working on this one here until we get the body over here done. So this is the body that's going on the Coyote right here. But as soon as we get this body right here all put together with the front uniform structure on the front, the unibody, that's when we're going to stop on this and start over. All right, guys, I'm going to end this video right now. Headed up to the tire shop. We're going to get some tires put on these 18-inch American Racing 407 VN407 Shelby wheels for our 67 Mustang fastback project. There's the hat. Got the hats and shirts for the channel as well. If you want one, let me know in the comment section. I'll send you a link where you can pick those up. But thanks for watching, everybody. Face it dirty. Been grinding. Catch y'all on the next video. Hope y'all can subscribe, share it with your friends, like, comment if you have any questions. I'll catch y'all on the next video.